Best Christmas trees. With the revival of retro holiday decor, ceramic Christmas trees are making a festive comeback. Loved for their nostalgic charm, built-in lights, and handcrafted details, these tabletop trees bring holiday spirit to any room without the mess of pine needles. In this guide, we review the best ceramic Christmas trees based on size, craftsmanship, lighting features, paint quality, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect centerpiece for your seasonal setup. List number: Mr. Christmas Nostalgic Ceramic Christmas Tree with LED lights, indoor decoration, 18 inches. The Mr. Christmas Nostalgic Ceramic Tree is a classic holiday staple that beautifully blends vintage style with modern LED technology. Standing at 18 inches tall, this piece is generously sized to serve as a focal point on mantels, tables, or entryways. The hand-painted green ceramic finish is paired with multicolored plastic bulbs and a bright star topper, all lit by safe, energy-efficient LEDs. List number: Milltown Merchant Ceramic Christmas Tree, Tabletop Christmas Tree with lights, 15.5 large green. Milltown Merchants brings a modern twist to a beloved vintage look with this 15.5 ceramic Christmas tree. It's slightly smaller than some traditional models, but still makes a big statement with its vivid green glaze, glossy finish, and multicolored bulbs. What sets this tree apart is the quality of the hand-painted ceramic and the even distribution of lights, which create a uniform glow throughout the piece. List number: Casafield Hand-Painted Ceramic Christmas Tree, white. If you're after something elegant and non-traditional, the Casafield White Ceramic Christmas Tree offers a stunning alternative to the classic green. Hand-painted with a snowy white glaze and finished with 64 colorful bulbs and a golden star topper. This tree blends a modern aesthetic with a vintage shape, standing at around 15 inches. It's perfect for minimalistic or farmhouse holiday styles. List number: Best Choice Products 15-inch Ceramic Christmas Tree, Pre-lit hand-painted tabletop. Affordable yet adorable, the 15-inch ceramic Christmas tree by Best Choice Products is a holiday gem for decorators on a budget. Hand-painted in rich green with glossy ceramic, this tree is decked with 50 colorful bulbs and a bright star topper. The built-in LED lighting creates a warm, inviting glow that instantly transforms any space into a cozy winter wonderland. Perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or offices. It's compact enough for smaller surfaces, but festive enough to catch attention. List number: Casafield Hand-Painted Ceramic Halloween Tree, 15-inch pre-lit decoration with 128 multicolor lights. While it's technically a Halloween piece, this 15-inch ceramic tree by Casafield deserves a spot on your holiday list for its whimsical, multi-holiday versatility. Styled like a traditional ceramic Christmas tree, but painted in black with orange and purple accents. It's an eye-catching crossover piece, perfect for transitioning between Halloween and Christmas. It features 128 multicolor lights that emit a soft LED glow and a bright orange topper to complete the spooky chic vibe. This makes it a standout choice for people who love festive decor year-round.